ask you about something. Firstly, tell me something about yourself.
Sir, my name is Himanshu. I'm studying in 11th class. Uh, my father's name Rakesh Kumar. My mother's name Mrs. Ramroshni, and I hail from Delhi. And I recently passed my 10th class. And my ideal person is Stephen Hawking.
Okay, what is your opinion about? Is money everything? Yes or not?
Sir, no, money is not everything. But nowadays, money is everything. But in my thinking, money is not everything. The respect of the person is also very important, and the fame of the person, which is being related to his respect or his skills, is very important.
Okay, next I want to ask from you. Your thoughts create reality. What do you think about this statement?
Sir, I think about it that my thoughts create reality, because if we do not think, then we cannot make anything which is very important for our generations. If we want to discover so many things, so we have to first think. And in speaking also, you first have to think, then after that you have to reply to this.
Okay, where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
Sir, I want to see myself after 5 years that sir, I want that I am on that path which I wanted to choose, and I am successfully done this. I am successfully done this path and beautifully move towards my aim.
Okay, next I want to ask from you 8 tips to handle board exam stress.
Sir, in board exam, first you have to keep calm. The first thing you have to do, keep calm, take rest for before one day. You have to fully free-minded and take rest. And when you go to the board exam, you meditate and think about your studies that you wanted to, the things you wanted to reminds that the points you wanted to make something very interesting, that you remember all the things by these points. You have to remind this. And in board exam, you have to focus only on your exam, not only others that who are doing that thing or something. And in board exam, you have to fully confident about yourself. If you are not confident about yourself, then you will not attend this board exam. And also, if you will go in board exam on others basis, that my friend tell me about that exam, that is not possible. Because if you believe on yourself, then you can do anything which is not possible like human, but you can do it. But if you do not believe in yourself, then you cannot do it.
Okay, I want to ask you about, before some time you have said about your board exam stressness. So during of the exam, if you have to attend the marriage party, so after that, what will you take the step?
Sir, during the exams, if the marriage celebration is it's my elder brother's marriage, then I have to attend it, but in limited hours, not in a fully day that I have to spend a whole day on my elder brother's marriage. It's limited hours, because you have to focus on your own self, that you have to do something. But it's also very important that your elder brother's marriage will never comes again. So you have to spend much time, but not that you will whole day spend on your elder brother's marriage.
Okay, some people become famous at your age. Do you agree with this statement? Firstly, I want to ask from you.
So yes.
Okay. And is it good thing or bad thing? Now, what is your opinion?
Sir, it can be good or can be bad. If we famous on in younger stage, then we have to we used to work hard because in younger stage we if we fa- fa- if we popular or famous amongst the people, then we have to continue this fame. If we do not continue it, then the people think that it is just a trial that he done and for few days he makes his fame. But if you wanted to be famous for long run, you have to work hard. If you do not work hard, you will not done anything. So by if the person famous in younger stage, then he used to work hard because in younger age, if someone makes famous, so he could done very well in his life that he could famous.
Okay. Do you believe we can read a person like a book by understanding their body language?
Sir, yes, of course. If we wanted to know about others, so firstly we have to focus on their body language because body language is must in speaking. If we see the other's body language, then we can easily understand about him that he is a bad person or a good person. Because body language never tells to be false. Because if a person speak about something, he can be false, but the body language cannot be false.
What will you take the step during of the GD? What will you take the step during of the GD?
Sir, during the GD, firstly, I have to speak about my topic which we have to conduct in GD, and after that we will all took our point of view that we are in favor or against. Then after that we will talk about that it's very helpful or useful, its effects, its consequences, and so on.
Okay. What problems can people face if they do not eat enough fruits or vegetables?
Sir, if the person do not eat enough fruits and vegetables, then he could suffer from weakness because fruits and vegetables in today's life very important because in today's life the pollution level is very high. Our body used to work very hard and successfully defends against germs which we like immune system has to be very strong. If we do not eat fruits and vegetables, then our immune system gets damaged and we will not fight against germs and we will fall easily ill. Then we cannot do anything in our daily lifestyles that we can do like study and our jobs and so on.
But do you know about that? Today's generation don't like vegetables and fruits. They like to only for junk food. So what is your opinion about it?
Sir, it's like a trend that people used to eat junk foods, and if they eat junk food, then they feel like that they are very rich or they are something very passionate for them. If we do not eat vegetables and fruits for our health, then it's very harmful for us. If and also junk food is very harmful for us. We can eat junk food one time in a month, but not more than it because it's very harmful and it's not digestible for our stomach.
Okay. What is your opinion about the role of the mass media in our society?
So the role of the mass media is very, very, very important because in today's generation there are many things which are going on that many criminal cases not done in a true manner, that they can live a criminal life, that by money power. But by media, we can take we know about their truth, that everyone has to know their truth, because if we live in society, then we have to know about everything of the society, and it can only possible by media, that every person can listen about that he is a good or a bad, then we are in favor of that and or in against.
The, I say to you about, I feel very good. I talked with you. I asked you many topic, and then you explain many topic in a confidence way. So this is good for you. I hope so that in future you will have to receive very good opportunity, and I will say to you about again all the best for your future.